Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about a 10th class physical science topic in the chemistry part in the structure of atom, that is Aufbau principle. So in the writing of electronic configuration we have three rules. One of them is Aufbau principle students. Electron configuration already we explained in the previous videos. The systematic arrangement of electrons in shells, subshells and orbitals is called electronic configuration. So to write electronic configuration, so we want to learn three rules. One of them is Aufbau principle. It is a German word Aufbau, whose meaning is building up. So now what is Aufbau principle? So according to Aufbau principle, there are 2 points. So one is electrons enter the orbitals, means that electrons go into the orbitals following the increasing order of energies of orbitals. It is a one rule students, but energy of orbital will be given by the formula n plus L. N plus L, where n is principal quantum number, L is angular momentum quantum number. It means that so orbitals will be occupied by the electrons based on their energies. That is, lowest energy orbital is filled with electron at first, then higher energy, and go on. It means that so electrons can enter the orbitals following the increasing order of energies of orbital. It means that so it means that electrons can go into the orbitals first, which are having lower energy. After filling those lower energy orbital, then so orbital which is filled in the second stage has energy higher than the first. So that is in the ascending order of energies of orbitals will be followed by the electrons. So energy of orbital is given by n plus L. For example, so in an atom there are orbitals like 1s, 2s, 2p students. So now out of these three, which is filled with electrons at first, which is next? So we want to calculate for this their energy. Is to calculate the formula is n plus L. So now n plus L value of 1s we can calculate. N plus L value and orbital students. So for example, n plus L of this here we are taking 1s students. So n value is 1, L value of S is 0. So in 1s n value is a 1, S L value is 0. So n plus L value of this one is 1s. Next we are taking 2s, 2 plus 0 is a 2. Next we are taking 2p students. N value is a 2, L value for p is 1, that is 3. So you can see 1s is a least energy, then higher than this is 2s, 2p. That is why, so while writing electron configuration, first 1s is filled with electrons. After filling this 2s, 2p. So for example, we are taking a nitrogen students whose atomic number is 7. It has 7 electrons. So its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So first 1s is filled with electrons, then 2s, then 2p, like that. So because it is a lower energy, it is the first point, students. Second point, so when two subshells having same n plus l value, same n plus l value, same n plus l value means both have a same energy, but in such cases electron go into which one first? So in this case, then electrons can go into the subshell or orbital having least n value out of those two. So least n value, students. We can understand this concept with example, students. For example, so for an atom of element there are orbitals like suppose 2p and 3s, 2p and 3s, students. We are taking 2p and 3s. So now we are going to calculate orbital and their n plus l value, orbital and n plus l value. So here we have taken 2p and 3s. Here n value is 2 and its 1 is 3. Here n value is 3, l value for s is 0, students, 3. So now you can see both have same n plus l value, but in such cases electron can go into which one? So first two, so here it is written, students. You can see when two subshells having same n plus l value, then electrons can go into the subshell having so less n value, least n value, students. So least n value. So out of 2p and 3s, first 2p is filled. After filling 2p, then it go into 3s. So for example, we are taking, students, we are taking sodium. Sodium atomic number is 11. It has 11 electrons. Electron configuration for it is first 1s2, 2s2. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, students. So after filling 1s, 2s will be filled. So 2s after, electrons are not going into 3s, students. Electrons are not going into 3s. So first 2p. So out of 2p and 3s, 2p and 3s both are having same n plus l value, means same energy levels. But in such cases, out of these two, so which one having a least n value will be filled with electrons first. That is why 2p is filled with electron, then it is. So this is above principle, students. You can see once again. So first statement, electrons enter the orbitals following increasing order of energies of orbitals. That is, energy of orbital will be given by the formula n plus l value, where n is a principal quantum number, l is angular momentum quantum number. So here examples are explained, students. Now second one, when the two subshells having same n plus l value, then electrons can go into the subshell having least n value. So these two are example here explained, students. So students, understood, having understood means